Today we are going to be learning about the letter E, and we are going to be working in our letter book in just a little bit. But before we do that, we are going to do a big practice, big review of all of the things about the letter E, okay? Alright, so we're going to start with what sound does the letter E make? Very good. It makes the sound. Very good. Good job, boys and girls. So, Miss Carr is going to read you this book. It's called The Enormous Elephant Show. And that means a big elephant show. Okay? And what sound do I want you to be listening for? Very good. Okay. So let's put our listening ears on. We're listening to those sounds so we have some great ideas to put for words to put in our letter books, okay? Elvin the elephant is waiting backstage to start his show. Just turn the page. Elvin the elephant makes an E out of eels. Elvin the elephant tosses eggplants to seals. Elvin the elephant does excellent dives. Elvin the elephant bakes elderberry pies. Elvin the elephant pulls an elk from a hat. Elvin the elephant sends email to his cat. Oh, Angel, let's look up here, okay? Elvin the elephant models elegant clothes. Boys and girls, elegant are really fancy and nice clothes. Elvin the elephant skates with eggs on his toes. That's silly. Do you think that the eggs would crack if they were on roller skates? Yes, I think so too. Elvin the elephant climbs evergreen trees. Elvin the elephant eats a mountain of peas. Peas are little vegetables that are really, really small little circles. They're round, and they're called peas, and they're green, and they come in a little pod. Elvin the elephant exercises with a cow. Elvin the elephant takes an enormous bow.
What's the cow? What's the cow?
A cow? A cow is an animal that lives on a farm, and it's got, yes, exactly, it has udders, and the farmer will milk the cow so that boys and girls like you can have milk at your lunch in the cafeteria. We do have milk in the cafeteria. The milk comes from cows. All right, boys and girls. So that was our book about an elephant. And what letter does elephant start with? Elephant starts with the letter E. So we're going to look at some cards because elephant. We're going to look at other picture cards with words that start with the letter E that make the sound, okay? So I'm going to hold up the card, and you tell me what the word is that matches the picture that you see on the card, okay?
How do you put exit?
Exit, very good.
Elbow.
Elbow, good job. Egg. Envelope. Elevator. And Angel, what letter do all of these words that we looked at, all these pictures start with? E. And what sound, boys and girls, does the letter E make? Very good. Kiss your smart brains. All right. So now, remember, boys and girls, we made an amazing list with words. Oh, if you have something to say, you raise your hand. But right now, it's listening and learning time. Ms. Carr will answer questions a little bit later on, okay? So, Miss Carr is going to say a word that we wrote on our list, and then you boys and girls will repeat after me, okay? Elephant.
Elephant.
Easter egg.
Easter egg.
Elf.
Elf.
Envelope.
Envelope.
Elbow.
Elbow.
Eskimo.
Eskimo.
And those are all words that make the short E sound, which is eh, eh, eh. But boys and girls, you also came up with 2 words that make the E sound, the long E sound, which is equal
Equal.
and eagle.
Eagle. Wait, how do you switch to the equal right there? Yes. After yesterday.
Because in the first picture I drew, it had long wings on. This picture his wings aren't spread out. But that's because we needed to because they make a different sound at the beginning. They make the E sound, the long E sound, and all of these words make the eh sound. So Miss Carr wanted to put these at the bottom of the list, so she redrew her picture to match eagle at the bottom instead of at the top, okay? All right, boys and girls, we have one more thing to practice before we can work in our letter books. We know the letter E, we know words that start with the letter E, but now I need to check and see if you know how to write the letter E. So we're all going to stand up together, and we're going to write the letter E in the sky, okay? Write the letter E in the sky. So skywriters up. I need you all to be awesome, smart kindergartners, showing me that you're ready to learn and ready to write. We're going to start by writing our capital letter E when I see all skywriters up. Allison? All right, so we're starting at the top, solid line. We're going to make our capital letter E by writing the line all the way down to the bottom line. Pick up our pencil, make a line across at the top, and then a line at the center dotted line, and then another line at the bottom. Very good, boys and girls. All right, now our lowercase e, okay? So are we going to start at the top solid line?
No.
Are we going to start? Yep, we're going to start a little bit below the center dotted line to write our lowercase e. All right, ready? So we're going to make a line across, come up, and curve all the way around and up again. Awesome, boys and girls. Okay, you can sit down. Angel, can you sit down there? All right, so we are going to be working in our letter book. Okay, boys and girls? So when you get back to your seats, your letter book is already open for you, and we're going to do our letter book page on what letter?
E.
E. Very good. So when you get back to your desk, let's please, Angel, grab a pencil and get ready to start writing. Hold it up in the air to show Miss Carr that you're ready to start working hard and start showing what smart kindergartners you are about the letter E. Okay? So I'm going to bring our list over here so that we can use it for our letter book. So let's start, boys and girls, by writing our Giovanni. Let's start, boys and girls, by writing Giovanni. We're going to write our capital letter E, okay? Capital letter E and our lowercase e, okay? And then we're going to put a period after our capital and lowercase e because it's a sentence that says the letter is E. Can you say the letter is E?
The letter is E.
Very good. Okay. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to write our sentence, okay? So it's going to say, this is an egg, okay? So our first word is this. So we need a capital letter T, capital letter T, and then H, and then the letter I, and then the letter S, okay? And then we're going to put 2 finger space and write the word is. Do you know what the word is, what letter the word is starts with? I and then S. Okay? And then the next word that we are going to write is And, boys and girls, and. So instead of writing A, because this word, the egg starts with a vowel, the letter E, which is a vowel, we have to write and instead of A, okay? So, and is A-N. So 2 finger space, and then write the word A, or the letter A, and then N for the word and. This is an egg. And we're going to do a 2 finger space and then egg. F, F, F. What letter are we going to write for F, F, egg? E. If you don't have any space, go down right below and write it on the bottom of that, okay? F, G, 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 and then one more G, okay? This is an egg, boys and girls. That is our sentence for today. And then put a period at the end of your sentence, boys and girls. And I'm going to come around and check and see how we are writing. Very good, Mohammed, and very good, Adrian. Wow. Lots of boys and girls did such great finger spaces in between their words in their sentence. I'm very proud. Very good. All right, so we are going to draw what picture? If our sentence, boys and girls, says this is an egg, what are we going to draw our first picture? An egg. All right, so you can pick what, let's pick a black crayon. We are going to make an outline of an oval for our egg. Yes, Mila? You don't have a black crayon? Maybe do you want to look in your another crayon box and see if there's a black crayon?
There's a black crayon.
Oh, Gabriel's got a black crayon right there. So, boys and girls, what shape is an egg? It sometimes can be a circle, but usually it's an oval. Yes, boys and girls. So let's draw an oval for our egg, okay? And we're making a chicken egg for our... Oh, we don't need a red crayon though. Right now we only need a black to draw an oval for our egg. Can you sit down, please? Thank you, buddy. All right. And then underneath our egg, we made a little white chicken egg outlined in black. We need to write the word egg. And what letter does egg start with? Giovanni, that's great. That's the sound. F is the sound that we hear at the beginning of the word egg. But what is the letter, boys and girls? You want to say it all together? Oh, let me hear more than one person say it. E. Very good. So write our letter E, and then G, G. And that is egg. Very good. So now you can pick 2 more pictures. You can choose from this list or from your mind of words that start with the letter E. Okay?